So what is up, legend? So welcome back to my another new video. My name is Ashish Maru, and in this video I will show you my scientific proven framework to generate more leads, clients and sales from your Facebook ads. And I'm going to break down my framework so you can achieve higher result, a higher ROI, and you can even break down or cut down your cost per lead or cost per purchase. And I know you people have been finding this kind of videos since ages, and you have purchased thousands of courses, not even thousands, hundreds of courses maybe, but you are trying to find how to cut down the lead cost, how to cut down the cost per purchase, how can I find out that my offer is working, or how can I find out my funnel is working, is my creative is working. You have a lot of questions. How can I find out that what is working and what is not working? Then this video is for you. So we help coaches, consultants who are doing $10,000 a month. We are helping them to grow to $100K a month by leveraging funnels, paid media, automation and system. And if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so you get my all videos on how to get greater ROI in your business using ads and funnels. So let's get started. The first key indicator is your creative. To find out is your creative is getting any clicks or not. And if you are not getting any clicks, that means your creative sucks, or your copy sucks, or either your targeting sucks, right? So you cannot blame your funnel in that case. So lots of people, they don't drive enough traffic to their funnel, or they blame the ads, that ads is not working, or they keep changing the targeting and they think the ads will work. They keep testing the different ad sets. They create 10-20 ad sets before testing what's working, what's not working. And when they launch the campaign, they see the ads, the creative is not getting any clicks, right? And they blame the ads, they keep hoping and praying, but they don't do anything to improve it. So first thing is you have to find out why your ads is not getting any clicks. So you have to change your offer. Your offer is not working, okay? Because of that you are not getting any clicks, or might your copy or headline is not working. So you have to change that first, and at least drive 100 to 200 people on your funnel to test your funnel is working or not. So what I recommend, the highest CTR, click-through rate, should be 1 to 3%. It doesn't matter. I have seen the ads which is getting 1% CTR getting the results, or 3%. So all numbers are fine. 1 to 3% is fine for your ads. You can even increase by working on your ads, so making your ads more little bit of clickbait. Not highly recommend, but you can do a little bit. If you are a great copywriter, you can do it. I know a way to do it. If you want to learn that way, hit the subscribe button so you will get a notification when I make that video. So you have to make your offer so good that no one can say no to it, right? That's the first key indicator. Like if your creative is not working, that goes your offer is not working, or your copy is not working. So you have to make your offer so good that people feel stupid to saying no to it. So that's the first thing. So how can you like find a proven offer? You can look at the competitor who are running the similar offer since ages, like 1 or 3 months, and you can test at least 5 of the offers if you want to test which one is getting more clicks. So here's my secret framework. What I do, how I find out the proven offer. First thing is I create 5 offers, 3 to 5 offers, which I put on my ads, and I see which one is getting the more clicks. I focus on more CTR and clicks. More the clicks you will get, more the traffic you will get, more the leads, clients and sales you will get. So the creatives is the first thing. Then to break down, if your creative is not working, means your offer sucks, or your copy sucks, or your targeting sucks. Most of the cases that it's not the targeting, it's your offer or your copy. So the second thing is, let's suppose you are getting good clicks on your ads. Okay, so if you're getting a good clicks on your ads, so what, and now you will ask, what is a good clicks? Like if your CTR is 1 or 3%, that's fine, you're getting clicks. So you have to wait for at least 100 or 200 people to visit your landing page or your sales funnel. So in that case, then you find out that you are getting traffic, means your ad is fine, your creative is fine, your offer is fine, right? So you got it. What I'm trying to explain is here that your ads is fine, it's getting traffic, people are showing the interest. But now you are thinking, why I'm not getting any sales? Why I'm getting only, if 100 people is visiting, why I'm getting only 1 purchase? So it's again comes to your funnel. So you haven't added a lot of like testimonials, or your offer is not good or your headline sucks. So it can be anything on your funnel. So again, it comes to your funnel offer, what offer you have created. So you have to make your offer so good that people feel stupid to saying no to it. So you have to make a no-brainer offer on your funnel. So if you want to learn how to make a no-brainer offer, hit that subscribe button. So whenever I will make that video, you will get the notification. So it comes to funnel. Now you focus on your offer on your funnel. You change the offer, you tweak little bit things, then you find out that you are getting 1 or 2 sales. So now it's time to scale. So if you are thinking like I'm getting 100 people on my ad, if 100 people is clicking and then I'm getting only 1 sale, still it means your offer sucks. That's why people are not purchasing, or you don't have enough social proof or enough testimonial on your sales page or lead page. So this is a 2 simple step method. Like if you're not getting any clicks, means your ad sucks. Okay, after you fix your ads, you are getting clicks, means your ads are fine. Okay, you can go and launch that ads on different targeting, then that is a sales funnel. So if you're getting traffic, ads are fine, all good. Now you are having the funnel. Now the funnel is not converting any sale, so you have to make sure you add enough social proof on it, or you write a good copy on it, headline, hook and offer. You fix that, you will start getting the sales. It's nothing is personal. Stop blaming Facebook. It's all about it's all about science. It's a scientific framework which I'm teaching you, right? If you want to learn more scientific framework like this, hit the subscribe button. So whenever I make a video on the next part of this video, you will get the notification. So see you in the next video.